let's jump straight into the unboxing of the OPPO Find X9S Pro. And trust me, there's something here you don't want to miss. We've got the light breeze color with 16 gigabytes RAM and a huge 1 terabyte storage. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Opening the box? Super simple. Lift and you're in. Right on top, a small pack. Warranty, manual, and boom, a bright cyan blue TPU case. It's seriously eye-catching, almost glowing. Under that, finally, the phone. This light breeze shade, it matches the case perfectly. Think vibrant cyan, almost Tiffany blue. Fresh, lively, very youthful. Quick question, rate this color from 1 to 5. I'm curious. Also, it comes in white, orange, and titanium. Which one would you pick? Now, here's something interesting, the size. This is a compact phone, small screen, super comfortable, easy one-hand use. Not too big, not too small, just right. Honestly, we need more phones like this. Flip to the back, it's glass, but not boring. There's a cold carved texture that feels premium. At the bottom, a slightly raised camera module, topped with a metal ring. The design is layered. Back panel, then the inspiration window, then the camera system. The finish? AG frosted, smooth, soft, and great to hold daily. Inside the module, 4 cameras, main, telephoto, ultra-wide, plus a second-gen color sensor. And yes, Hasselblad branding is right there. Next to the inspiration window, there's a dual-tone flash, and above it, the OPPO imaging logo. But here's the cool part. The camera module isn't flat. It has this subtle gradient, almost like a landscape. It shifts with light. OPPO calls it a continuous animation pattern. Looks dynamic. What do you think? Now specs. Both the main and telephoto cameras pack 200 megapixel sensors. That's big. Overall design? Clean, sharp right-angled frame. Minimal and uniform. On the left, an AI button. On the right, volume and power, and the camera bump, surprisingly slim, barely sticks out, keeps everything sleek. All right, let's check the weight. This might surprise you. The X9S Pro is 8.43 millimeters thick and weighs 202.9 grams for our unit. Keep in mind, this one already has a screen protector applied. Officially, the light breeze version is 200 grams, while the other colors come in slightly lighter at 198 grams. That tiny 2-gram difference, it's because of this version's continuous animation pattern. The others don't have it. Now, let's power it on. While it boots, quick look inside the box. At the bottom, you get an 80-watt Super VOOC charger, but the plug isn't foldable. There's also a USB-A to USB-C cable and a SIM ejector tool. Next, let's put the case on. And here it is. The color match? Spot on. Same cyan tone, super clean look. Also, notice the corners. They're slightly raised. That means better protection, especially for the screen edges. Now the screen is on and wow! First thing you'll notice, Behad slim bezels. All 4 sides are super thin, giving a really immersive feel. The punch hole camera sits centered and blends in well. And the bezels? Just 1.1 millimeters, perfectly even. Looks sharp and premium. On the software side, it runs ColorOS 16 Gold Label. We won't go deep here, but there's a cool lock screen feature worth seeing. It has 2 modes, capsule and immersive. For example, when music plays, you get a small capsule at the bottom. Switch to immersive and boom, lyrics appear on the lock screen with a song card below. You can control everything right there. Simple and useful. And that wraps up the unboxing of the OPPO Find X9S Pro. Honestly, this phone is interesting. The Find X9 Pro is bigger, closer to an ultra-style device, but this one, it goes compact, and that's a smart move. It's easier to hold, easier to use daily, and you still get dual 200-megapixel cameras. No compromise. So if you want great cameras but hate big phones, this might be it. What do you think? Would you pick this one? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.